Hi there, welcome to What the Hell Am I Eating? Beef jerky, teriyaki jerky. Even I think I had a turkey jerky once. But today we're looking at something different. Chicken fajita jerky. Now, this usually comes in giant packages. This particular one's a sampler. It's only 1 ounce. So, in case I don't like it, I'm not throwing away a lot of chicken. What can I tell you about it? It's dark meat. It's naturally smoked and dried. It's one of my favorite ingredients, which is chicken. I like chicken. I like chicken fajitas. Let's try it out, shall we? Contains satisfaction guarantee in the back, which means if I don't like it, this guy here is gonna come and give me my money back. I doubt it. It's contains nothing that looks like a piece of chicken at all. It looks brown. It looks poop-like. It's smoky. It's peppery. It doesn't look right, but it tastes pretty good. Chewy, sweet. I give it an okay. McKid. This is what Mac Fixer for What the Hell Am I Eating? Remember, try something new. See you around. Bye-bye.